Most AI tools were built for one of two types of customers: large enterprises with IT departments and six-figure software budgets, or individual users who want help writing emails. The 15-person landscaping company, the 30-person real estate brokerage, the freelancer juggling payroll, invoices, marketing, and customer service alone, they have largely been left out of the AI boom. Anthropic launched Claude for small business yesterday, and it is specifically built for them. Today, what it is, what it connects to, the 5 workflows worth using first, and how to get it set up this week. I am Mario, this is AI Alpha. Let us get into it. What it actually is, because the name is slightly misleading. Not a separate app, not a new pricing tier. It is a plugin for Claude Cowork, the desktop app that lets Claude take actions. The plugin connects Claude to the tools most small businesses already run on: QuickBooks, PayPal, HubSpot, Canva, DocuSign, Google Workspace, Microsoft 365. Toggle on the tools you already use. Connect your accounts. Cloud reads the data in those tools and does real work inside them. Pricing: no extra charge beyond your cloud subscription and whatever you already pay for those tools. If you already pay for QuickBooks and HubSpot, this is effectively free. What Claude does in each tool: QuickBooks reconciles records, plain English P&L statements, tax season documents, 30-day cash flow forecast, month end close that used to take a Saturday now takes 20 minutes. PayPal matches settlements against QuickBooks, flags overdue payments, queues invoice reminders, handles billing disputes. HubSpot analyzes pipeline, identifies cold leads, drafts follow-up messages, spots sales lulls, builds campaign briefs, attributes what is actually driving revenue. Canva: you describe the promotion, Cloud writes the copy, picks a template, generates the visual, delivers it ready to post. No design skills needed. DocuSign reviews contracts before you sign, flags expensive clauses, auto renewals, early termination fees, and what to negotiate. Google Workspace and Microsoft 365 drafts emails, prepares meeting briefs, builds reports from your data, can pull QuickBooks revenue and HubSpot add data into a weekly Slack summary automatically. 5 workflows worth using first. Number 1, payroll planning. Syncs QuickBooks with PayPal, builds 30-day cash flow forecast, prioritizes overdue items, queues reminders you approve before anything sends. Number 2, month end reconciliation. Compares accounts, flags mismatches, plain English P and L. Exportable closed packet for your accountant. 20 minutes instead of half a day. 3, campaign planner. Spots a sales lull in your data, analyzes what worked last time, drafts the strategy, writes the copy, generates the Canva visuals. A complete marketing campaign in one workflow. Number 4, invoice tracker. Monitors outstanding invoices, identifies overdue ones, drafts a personalized follow-up for each, queues for your approval. The awkward chasing conversation is handled. Number 5, business overview dashboard. Every morning, cash position from QuickBooks, sales trend from HubSpot, pipeline activity. One briefing, no logging into 3 tools. Start every day knowing exactly where your business stands. 2 things every small business owner asks before connecting financial tools to AI. Is my data safe? On team and enterprise plans, your data is never used to train Claude. Claude reads it, do the work, does not store or train on it. Your existing permissions in QuickBooks, HubSpot, and Google stay intact. Does Claude just do things without asking? No. Every workflow ends with human review. Claude does the work, you approve before anything sends. Posts or pays. You stay in control. How to set it up? 4 steps. Step 1. Make sure you have Claude Cowork installed. Download at claude.ai/cowork. Step 2. Inside Cowork, go to Skills and Plugins. Find Claude for Small Business. Step 3. Toggle on the tools you already use. Connect each account. Claude only gets read access unless you approve a right action. Step number 4. Pick one workflow and run it today. Start with business overview or invoice tracker. Low risk, immediately useful. Bonus, free course, AI fluency for small business, built with paper. Link in the description. Claude for small business. Launched yesterday. 7 tools, 15 workflows, no extra charge. QuickBooks, PayPal, HubSpot, Canva, DocuSign, Google, Microsoft 365, inside the tools you already use, doing the work you do not have time for. If you run any kind of small business, set this up this week. Start with business overview or invoice tracker. Run it once, see what comes back. Do you run a small business? And which of these 7 tools do you already use? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them. And if you want to go deeper on all of this, I run a community called AI University. Plain English AI every single day. Link is in the description and in the pinned comment. Subscribe for more. See you in the next one.